Hi guys, welcome back to Luke's Running Review, and as you can see, Nightmare Running Gear again. Today, unboxing day. So my old running shoes, which are these Adidas. They've done me well. I've had them a little while, couple of years now almost. They're still quite comfortable. The only thing that I find with these is, I don't know if you can quite see it in there, but the back end here is actually worn away right back down to the plastic backing, and yeah, it's started to ache, and that's actually on both of them, but which is a bit of a shame because, like I say, they're still comfy and they've done me really well. But however, time has come, so I've been online and I've treated myself to a brand new pair. So let's have a look and see what we've got, shall we? Surprise, surprise, I have gone for another pair of Adidas, Adidas, whatever you guys pronounce it. So anyway, yeah, let's have a look, shall we? I always find the things that come from online shopping overpacked. I mean, you've got the outside packaging as well as a bit of inside packaging now. Pointless, yeah. I was expecting a bit of box damage, but okay. That's delivery services for you. Anyway, so what I have gone for is these little beauties. Yeah. Adidas Energy Falcons. Now, not only do they look smart, and comfy, I do feel it, but yeah, they're look at that bump in there. Yeah. Why have I got a feeling? I've got a feeling this stuff on the side here might well glow in the dark, which I didn't know. It may do, it may not do. I'll have to keep you guys posted. But yeah, there they are. There's my new runners, and I've been using Adidas now for a few years. It's they're not the cheapest on the market. They're not the most expensive. But, a couple of years back, I actually went into a sports shoe shop even to buy myself new runners, and they put me on the treadmill, check your gait and all that. You've probably had it done yourself over at some point. And I actually tried on 4 or 5 different pairs of running shoes, and the pair which I actually found the most comfortable was these ones. And I didn't actually know at the time, but out of the 4 or 5 that I actually tried on, not only were they the most comfortable, they were also the cheapest. So it's not always about price. I mean, the quality is still fairly good on these, and like I say, they actually look pretty smart as well. I mean, the proof will be in the pudding when I take them out for a run on Monday. So yeah, I should keep you guys posted as to how they feel. But yeah, they're actually pretty good. They've got a nice bit of bend to them, nice bit of support around the heel. The back's fairly padded. So yeah, let's see how we get on, and I shall again keep you posted. And my trail shoes, they're, funnily enough, they're also Adidas, and I've had them about 3-4 years now. Obviously I don't use them as much because most of my running's done on the road. There's not as many places around here to go trail running, unless I jump in my car, head over towards Ashford, where you've got Kingswood. Done a couple of races around there, and yeah, it's a nice area, but the shoes themselves comfortable as anything. So yeah, I've had several different makes. Yeah, New Balance, Asics, Adidas. Yeah, but yes, keep coming back to these because they are good. So anyway, that was literally just a short video of the unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give us a like, hit subscribe, whichever side it is, never know. And yeah, there will be more videos coming up, and more runs, more cooking, possibly some more unboxing, who knows. Anyway, so yes, enjoy your runs, keep safe, and have fun, and come back and see me sometime. All the best, guys. Keep running, keep safe.